Thank you, Joseph, for the introduction and the overview. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's session. We normally do this every Thursday at 8 p.m. East African time. And today, we're gonna do something different. I think most of the times we normally do the flyers, those who've attended our webinars before. But today we'll do a video, social media video that is generated purely using AI. And but before that, of course, we need some of the things for this particular brand. We need a logo. We need again just an image, a social media post image, and we'll do that without using any design tool. It's possible. I've done it before. A lot of people have done it before, those who are embracing AI. And today, I think it's the moment of truth. So I'll just share my screen. Then we're gonna see how to do this. So we're gonna use just one tool, and that's Novation.ai to go about this. And come to your browser and type Novation AI. You land to this page here. Then if you have an account, you just log in. But if you don't have, you can just do it. You just create one, then you'll be good to go. And after that, you will land to this page here. For this particular brand, we'll start with a logo. I think a while back, people used to spend a lot of money paying designers to create logos for them. Or sometimes just picking a template in Canva or any other tool. And, but right now it's very easy, like what I'll show you here. So I'll come to the logo agent and tell it generate for me a logo. Okay, generate for me a logo for thermal traits, logo for thermal traits bakery. Then can have some more information about the business, and let's see what we'll have here. In this agent, you'll get 3 logo variations. Then you'll have variety to choose. You can choose the one that you're okay with. Also, you'll get the colors that were used in that logo. I know, like, extracting the colors from the logo, can be a little bit hectic even to professional designers. But with this agent, it's just you just copy the codes. And yeah, I think it's done with our first version. I think we can see what we have here. We have Thermal Treats Bakery. You can see like a fruit here. I think to show Tamu or something. Then somehow like a kitchen, with like a chimney with these fruit symbol, I think, to represent Tamu. But let's see our second variation. I think, yeah, it's done with the second one. Okay, I think it's like it's like a wine glass or something. Let's see our third variation here, what we'll have here. So as I've said, for the colors, I think you can see it has picked the 3 colors that are used in this logo with the codes. So okay, I think it's done with our third one, and Tamo Treats Bakery. I think I'll prefer this one, the third one. So when you have the logo, you can just save this to your brand, and let's confirm it's here. You have, yeah, it's here. You can see it has picked the colors, the logo, the name. So the name, you just paste it there. Then the fonts, you can choose from what we have here, or even this one. Again, if you're not satisfied with the logos, you can just go ahead and talk to the agent until you get something that I think I can just show what I generated before this. I think it's this one.
A little bit down. No.
I think it's, yeah, I think during our test, these the variations I got from the agent. So you can see I've used the same prompt. So it's basically if you're not satisfied with what you had, you can go on and talk to the agent until you get something that's very satisfying. But I was very impressed with this one. But I think we can proceed. I think we can save this one and proceed with it. Then I think now we have the logo, we have the brand colors, the fonts, and all that. I think we can now proceed and generate a video. For this, you use the video agent generator, and because the video consumes quite number of credits, I think it's better you have your prompt ready. So for me, I'll use this prompt. Add it here, video, and let's see what we'll have here. Let's give it a few minutes. Then see what we'll have here. Let's give it more seconds. Again, you will get 8 seconds video. Of course, you're working on making it longer. But I think for people who've used Gemini to generate videos, they also get 8 seconds. So, but we're working on to make them longer. But let's see what we'll have here. Okay, I think it's done. So let's see. So I think it's a good one. You have the birthday cakes, you have the cupcakes. Yeah. So of course, I've said we'll make it longer, but this is how easy it is. Also, you can, overlay the call to action, probably the number and all that. So that's for the video. Then let's have a social media post, not video, but I think you can just a social media image for the same. So let's see what we'll also have. So let me tell it, create a social media post, business, focus on the following. I think the following services. Okay. So to can have cupcakes as 3, then I think that's enough. We also don't want our post to be congested. And so let's see what we'll have. Create a social media post for the business, focus on the following. Let's see what we'll have in less than 60 seconds. Should be finalizing. I think it's done. Celebrate every moment. Birthday cakes, wedding cakes, delicious cupcakes. I think these are ready to post image for this particular brand, and also you can see it. You got the context, like the wedding cake, the birthday cake, and the cupcakes. So that's how easy it is. You can also edit this with the canvas. You just come here and probably select the part that you want to edit and chat it here. And yeah, so I think I'll hand over to Joseph, then can introduce Duncan.